Okay, okay, guys. Good morning. Good morning. My sister is always yapping for me. Anyway, I hope you all slept well. This is another new video. Uh, so these rails for the seats. If you check on the carpet video, you'd see there were some markings of these chair rails that were brownish goldenish there. So I'm trying to see how I can deal with this and bring it to at least a near nice finish for both seats. I checked the back is okay. It's just from the front seats that were caked and they stained the carpet. So um, we'll deal with this, bring this back to life, make it look shiny and nice and black, and yeah, hopefully it will come out well. And then after that, I have the next part 2 of the dashboard. And then yeah, I hope it comes out well. I'm trying to see something that I can do about it. But for now, I'm trying to deal with these chairs and to make sure that they don't stain the carpet again. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy this video. Yeah, okay. So guys, okay, not the undercarriage, the inside undercarriage where the seats go. As you can see, I tried spraying over them. The rust, all where you see the paint is where I dealt with the rust, and yeah, I'm going to try and bring at least I got a white color to help me deal with the rusty, okay, not the overlay of the black paint. I didn't want it to look ugly, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray over some of these so they would look more presentable, though it's going to be hidden, but yeah, it didn't hurt to at least spray over them. But at the moment, that is what we're going to do, and yeah, come along with me. So far so good. This is where the spare sits. Let me zoom out. The spare sits here, so there are some how do you call them, where the jack and the car jack and some other spanners go. Then here the cover for the fuel tank, because I really worked on it because it was really rusty, and I've tried to overlay the white paint there, and then also on the edges here, plus here too. Let me try, and yes, here too. And then you see in my previous video I did a color, a random color change on the seat belts, but this is how they are looking so far. So when you come here, you will see I also did the same on this side and then also on this other side. So it's safe to say we've dealt with the rust. Even here was rusty, but now some of these were really bad. I've tried my best. So now I think the interior will have to go in from this point on, because the rust has been dealt with. So that is safe to say we are good to go. So guys, let's say we've finally dealt with all the rust, and yeah, I think the next video will be me putting in the interior, because I also had to work on this. This is the cover for the fuel pump. So far the project is looking okay. This can is still, it was acting up. I wanted to spray the whole boot end, but it was quite impossible. So yeah, let's say this is coming out quite well. Yeah, so far so good. And thanks for watching. I hope you all liked this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell such that you know when I've put out a video. Yeah.